Making cloud lights. All right, so we have some puck lights here. Looks like they're using the printer to do the clouds. Painting them like a really pretty peachy color. Oh, this is a cute little idea. I think this would work really nicely for like a child's room or like a nursery. I love this idea, it's so cute. And we're actually obsessed with clouds right now, at least on TikTok anyway. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So for this next one, we have someone making an Ottoman. So it looks like they went with like a neutral color here. Oh, they must be making side tables, okay. So I thought that they were making an Ottoman, but I think that they were turning the Ottoman into a side table. That's cute. These are like so small and compact too, so very cute idea. Okay, so we have some type of flower here and a shell. Candle. So they spray painted this. Oh, that's where the candle holder is gonna go. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so beautiful. What is it though? Okay. So it's like a wall sconce. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, obviously, I would not want to light this because it's just a little too close to the wall for my personal comfort. You guys know how I am with candles. I don't know if you've noticed that, but yeah, when it comes to candles, I am very careful about what projects I would actually do and wouldn't do. So here we have someone at Home Depot. She's grabbing a bunch of paint samples here. Now, as you guys know, the paint samples are free. Is she like coming back each time getting more? Because she's wearing, she put like a scarf on. Oh, she made an outfit. Whoa. Wow, okay. Now with this outfit, she definitely needs something underneath. This is cute, I like the idea, but yeah, she needs to put something underneath, I think. And then she walked back into Home Depot with that outfit on. Girl, are you crazy? Wow. All right, so moving on to the next one. This one looks like they're thrifting a mirror here, painting it. And then framing $1. Do people still do this? Like I remember like, you know, back in the 90s, like you start a business and you frame your first dollar that you make. I mean, it's just really just a symbolism anyway. All right, so here we have some bubble wrap. You should make a bubble bucket hat. Whoa, a bucket hat style out of bubble wrap. Okay. That's pretty impressive. Let's see if they can do it though. Whoa, she's actually like sewing this in a sewing machine. The reason why this is so, wow. Okay, wow, that is crazy. I was gonna say I would be scared to actually like sew over that with a sewing machine because I would be afraid of it ripping, but wow, that was pretty cool. All right, so we have Pringle can here. Are those straws? I'm not sure what this is that they're using to place around the perimeter. I think I was too distracted by that bucket hat that was made out of bubble wrap. Like that is just crazy. Oh no, these are definitely not straws. It looks like some type of foil. Wow. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. It's like they added some rhinestones at the bottom. Oh, it's a vase. Wow. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.